Okay, so let's say you just upgraded to a new GPU that is even more powerful, but unfortunately, when you try to load an AI model using LM Studio, it would either fail or took forever to reach 100%, and therefore you cannot reliably using your new GPU to chat with a local AI model. Yeah, this is very unfortunate, and this is affecting lots of new GPU upgrades. But there are a few ways or steps that you can take to fix this problem, and personally these are step-by-step process that I took to fix this issue. So first, you have to make sure that you are using the latest drivers for your new GPU. Now, according to LM Studio, for Windows, if you're using the RTX 50 series, then you want to make sure that you are using the driver version 551.61 or newer, and if you're using Linux, then this is the version that you are using. So to check that, you can open your NVIDIA app, and then you can navigate to drivers and make sure that you are running the latest version, or at least the version that was stated in the official announcement from LM Studio. And after that, you can open LM Studio, and let's navigate to settings. Let's go to runtime and make sure that you are using the latest version, especially for Vulkan and CUDA Llama CPP. So these two are very relevant, at least for my system, and just make sure that you are keeping the engines to the latest version. So basically after this, at least for me, it does work. I can start chatting with local AI model again. But in case it didn't work, then you might want to just update the LM Studio app to the latest version, and perhaps you can restart the app and restart your computer. But again, if this doesn't work, then you can just reinstall the whole thing. You can reinstall LM Studio and then try it again. Now, personally, I don't have to go that far, but I did the same thing using John AI, and it does work again. So yeah, basically the steps that you need to take are, first, you have to make sure that you are using the latest driver, and after that, you might want to update the runtime on LM Studio, and if it doesn't work, then you can try to update the app to the latest version, or perhaps you can reinstall the whole app. So those are the step-by-step process to hopefully fix this error when trying to load an AI model on LM Studio. I hope you find this video helpful. In any case, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. I wish you a great day ahead.